Welcome everyone to another Spirits Intentions. Tonight I'm making another quick video. Not going to do a long one. It's about the same thing which you got on the last video that I did with the same kind of setup. I am starting a new paranormal team, so it's going to be a lot different than this. So yeah, let's just get into it right away and see what we get. It is 3:30 in the morning, so why not? Here we go. All right, got my ring pod out, one with the orange light. I have an energy ball, EMF ball, whatever you want to call it. Where that ring pod was at last time, sitting right by the door. Down the hallway, purple light. Green light right here is your K2 meter. I got a purple light right where my finger's at. It's on the counter. It's a flashlight. And a couple other little energy balls out. One to the right of me on this top of this little fort tent thing my son has, like on the roof. And one in front of me. So let's just get right to it and see if anything is here that's willing to communicate with me tonight. So my name is Mike. I'm here to communicate with anybody who is present. Can you tell me your name? Here we go. Started it up. I turned off the AC, so it's much quieter. Can you play with any of these devices I laid out? If you speak into this device I hold in my hand, you can use it to create words.
You are worthy.
I am worthy. Thank you. Why am I worthy? Can you touch that orange light?
Am I on video?
Yes, you are. I'm only here to communicate. I got, am I on video? It's a small little camera. Nothing big. Is there a way you can play with any of those devices? I like to see it on the camera. There's a purple light down there, that big stick. You can change the color on it if you like. I also got a REM pod if you walk up to it. It's the one with the orange light.
Please go left.
Is that you touching on that? What is your name? My name is Mike. And there's these clear little lights, little balls. Can you touch one of them? You literally have to put your hand on them. They'll light up. Kind of like a little Christmas light. It uses your energy. They do not harm you.
She's here.
Who's here? She's here. Who's she? Can you knock on something? Can you make a sound? Oh, hold on.